66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? If you are new here, welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I create lots of home decors, DIYs. I am a woodworker and some cleaning videos here and there. I also do seasonal decor as well. So we are embarking upon this fall season, and I am super excited to give you guys some fall content. That's my daughter, by the way. So I wanted to take you guys along with me today. I'm going to be starting the decorating in my dining room, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a vignette for your dining room buffet or console table. You can even, do this on your mantle or shelving, wherever you like to try it. But I just want to show you guys how you can spruce up your decor using neutral tone fall items. Also, I am going to be giving you guys such a cool treat today because I have something that is super exciting and I want to share it with you guys. So this video is sponsored by my girl Karla Mingo from KarlaMingoHome.com. I am super excited to be collaborating with her today. She is such an awesome human, you guys. She has a YouTube channel as well, Karla Mingo. I will link all of her information down in the description box below. But I am here to talk about her signature collection. Some of you may know or may not know, she does have a website. She started her business this summer and I am loving it. I already went and ordered 2 of her candles and they are, so yummy. So we are collaborating today because she sent me her signature collection and I wanted to show you guys what it's about. Also, she is an author, you guys. So she did write this book, Peace, Passion, and Purpose, a guide to making your life lessons your blessings. And it is so awesome. Oh my gosh. I have not started reading it yet because I just got the package. But y'all, just reading the back of it, it's going to be such an amazing read. And I want you guys to definitely go ahead and order her signature collection because it's just so fabulous. I mean, it smells incredible. It smells amazing. So this is the box. I went ahead and I opened it already because I was so excited to see what was in there and what the smells were going to be. And I have the Passion and the Peace candles, and they smell so amazing. And she sent me her Purpose signature collection. So in the collection you will get a Purpose candle. You will also get her amazing body butter. Y'all put this on your skin and it literally feels like butter on your skin. So she sent the Purpose body butter as well, and also the soap. I cannot wait to open this. I've been trying to hold out, you guys, to not open these so that I can show you guys sort of like an unboxing on camera. And I've been trying to hold out and not use it for my spa night. But y'all, I cannot wait to use it. It smells incredible. You also get like a little soap dish to hold your soap into. And then also these little gadgets. It's like the candle wick. You snip. Let me take it out of the plastic. Okay, so you get these 3, I don't really know what they're called, but some of you guys may know what they are, but it's like a little wick cutter. You cut the wick, when you first get the wick, the candle, you have to cut the top of it so that it burns better. And this basically puts the fire out when you're done using it. And this, I'm not really sure what it is, but y'all, this is super. Look at this, copper. Y'all know how I feel about my copper. And I cannot wait to use it in my fall decor. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with this collection today and how I'm going to be using it to decorate my buffet in my dining room. And with all the copper and all the grays and the neutral tones, oh my gosh. But y'all, the smell is so amazing. It is super incredible. So this is what the packaging looks like when it first comes out of the box. That was this little sit there is my doing, but it has like this bamboo cover, and oh my gosh, the smell is so amazing. Now these are hand poured. She legit poured these by herself, okay? She is a one-woman show, and she does this by herself. She pours them, and these are all natural and organic ingredients. It's soy blend, and it's all hand poured. And this one is made up of the eucalyptus, bergamot, and lemon scent, and they're essential oil filled. And they smell amazing. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I need to go and order some more because I started burning my passion and I'm almost out of it. So this is so good, you guys. So good. So I want you guys to go ahead and definitely check her out. Her website is karlamingohome.com. She is also on Instagram as Karla Mingo Home and Karla Mingo. And I will have all of her links down in the description box. Make sure you head over to her YouTube channel and subscribe. Let her know that I sent you over, and just enjoy when you guys go to order. She also included a 10% discount code for you guys where you can get 10% off of your first order, and it is all things Shushana 10. Make sure you add that code in so that you receive your 10% discount on your first order of her signature collection. Y'all, you will not be disappointed. I will have all the information linked down in the description box for all of her products, and also the 10% discount code that you can use on your first purchase. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So these are some of the items that I'm going to be using in my vignette styling, and I'm going for like a modern farmhouse European style looking fall, if that makes sense. But these are some of the items that I'm going to be using, and I just wanted to show you guys this is not exactly what my vignette is going to be looking like, or even this table, because as you can see, I am going to be changing some things around. I'm going to be painting it and kind of changing up the style, but I kind of just wanted to give you guys some like early fall ideas as to what you guys can do in your home and give you some inspiration as well. So this is actually a mirror that I painted with blackboard paint, and painted the rim like a glossy black, and I love the way that it turned out. So I wanted to go ahead and incorporate it in my fall decor this year, just to kind of give it that farmhouse European feel. So I'm excited to see what you guys think about it down in the comment section. Don't wanna be shy.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I know that normally I don't really give you like a lot of background action, but y'all are gonna see the process of my thought pattern going through this whole thing. I wanted it to be so, I wanted it to be perfect, but
nothing is perfect, and you kind of have to go over and over and over and try to figure out what works, what fits, what doesn't. And so this is the process that I go through when I'm doing any type of decorating style vignettes, or just on a whole, this is what I go through. So this is what I thought I wanted it to look like, and then I was like, I'm gonna change something. I do love my basket, and I'm just kind of showing you guys, you can decorate with baskets of all sizes, colors, tones, you know, as long as you have like the same type of color tones. And that pumpkin I actually got from Walmart, you can actually decorate in the same type of color tones and, you know, make it all work. This color scheme is working, but still something was still sort of out of place for me. So you're gonna see me kind of changing things around, but this is the process that I go through every single time that I decorate. And by the way, do you notice my surprise color? I am adding in some mustard yellow for the fall season.
You don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
So fams, this is the finished vignette. I do love it. I love the way that it turned out, and I love all the neutral color tones. I love that pop of mustard yellow, and it sort of have like that pop of purple in the floral arrangement as well. So I love the way that it looks. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about this vignette. I will be doing another vignette coming up very soon, and then you guys get to choose which vignette I am going to be using for my dining room buffet table. So if you're new here, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you double tap that bell so that you don't miss an episode. And yeah, let's go. Let's get ready for the fall, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and visit Karla MINGO'S information down below in the description box, and I will see you guys very soon in another fall episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a fantabulous day. Bye.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chase.